Move more, get more, bigger transfers, better rates. See how one big transfer can deliver more money than several smaller ones. First of all, go to the Panda Remit app, choose Large, and input a transfer amount. Choose a recipient. Since the account verification process for large transfers differs from that for small transfers, you will need to verify the account. Start by clicking on the unverified account and verify. Provide one of these documents for verification. You can choose either your passport or Thai driver's license. Take a photo of your document. Please make sure the photo is clear and readable. Once the document has been approved, you will be able to continue the fund transfer. Confirm the transfer details. Acknowledge the anti-fraud reminder. Select payment method. Please double-check the bank account details. If they are correct, complete the transfer using your own banking app. Here's what happens if you split the transfer into smaller amounts. Want to split 10,000 Australian dollars into 5 2,000 Australian dollars transfers? You'd get an exchange rate of 21.2088 and pay a 3 Australian dollars fee each time. You'll end up with just 212,088 Thai bahts. While if you transfer 10,000 Australian dollars at once with a great exchange rate at 21.3394 and pay just 17 Australian dollars in fees and receive 213,394 Thai bahts and 66 satangs straight into your Thai bank account. Go with a single large transfer today and save more over 1,300 Thai bahts. Go big, get more with Panda Remit today.